smile and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing a super cute juice cup. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around to find out. Did you know? Watermelons are like giant juice cups. A watermelon is made of 92% water, so eating one is like sipping juice straight from nature. Now that our drawing is complete, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Remember, you can choose any color you like. Let your imagination run wild and make it your own masterpiece. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page link in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more drawing adventures. See you next time.